Principles that the derivative of cosine x is negative sine x. We'll start with the definition of a derivative. If f of x equals cosine of x, then f prime of x is the limit as h approaches 0 of cosine of x plus h minus cosine of x all over h. We'll use the cosine sum identity to expand cosine of x plus h, substituting the identity. Where equals x and b equals h, we get cosine of x plus h equals cosine of x times cosine of h minus sine of x times sine of h. Plugging this back into our limit expression, we have the limit as h approaches 0 of cosine x cosine h minus sine x sine h minus cosine x all over h. Now let's factor cosine of x from the first and third terms to get the limit as h approaches 0 of cosine of x times the quantity cosine h minus 1 minus sine of x times sine h all over h. We can then split this into two terms, getting cosine x times the limit as h approaches 0 of cosine h minus 1 over h minus sine x times the limit as h approaches 0 of sine h over h. We know that the limit as h approaches 0 of cosine h minus 1 all over h is 0, and the limit as h approaches 0 of sine h over h equals 1. Substituting these values, we have cosine x times 0 minus sine x times 1. This simplifies to negative sine of x. Therefore, we have proven that the derivative of cosine x is negative sine x.